Hello and welcome to You Can Tell Your Story. My name is Jason. I'm also known as Fluency MC. I'm a teacher, trainer, knowledge entertainer from the United States. I live here now in lovely Paris, France, and I'm really excited to be your mentor on this climb where you'll build your accuracy and fluency in English through challenges that you do and share with other learners from around the world. These challenges will empower you to communicate more easily about your background, your family, your education, your work, your friendships, and your dreams. Together, we're going to read and listen to a short audiobook I wrote. It's called One Day. It's the story of the day in the life of a person living and working in a city. The story focuses on English for everyday social and business situations. These situations include getting ready for work, attending meetings, eating at a restaurant, training employees, and relaxing at home. There's also important language for conversation functions in English, such as expressing opinions, expressing likes and dislikes, describing people, places, and things, and making plans. One Day is based on high-frequency vocabulary and grammar structures from spoken American English. There's particular focus on pronunciation, past tense verbs, including irregular verbs, modal verbs, collocations, idiomatic expressions, and much more. Each day, you'll listen to part of the story and read the text. Then, you'll do exercises and the daily challenge, which you'll share with other learners. I can't wait to help you tell your story. Are you ready to roll? Let's do it!